Students, today we are going to learn about the square of any positive integer is of the form 3p, 3p plus 1 and 3p plus 4 under Euclid's division method. Now, as per the definition of Euclid's division method lemma, we know that a is equal to b cube plus r, where r is lying in between 0 to b. Now, if I compare this with the value of the above equation, we know that b is equal to 3 and r lies in between 0 to 3. Now what is the value of r now here? So r equal to 0, 1 and 2. Now substitute r is equal to 0 in this equation. If I denote this complete value as equation number 1, if I substitute this in this equation, you will get a is equal to 3q plus 0. So this implies you will get 3q. Now as per the question, they have given that square of any positive integer. Means your equation is given as a is equal to 3q. For this equation, you are doing squaring on both sides. Now if I do squaring on both sides, you will get here a square is equal to 3q whole square, which implies 9q square. Now I have to represent this 9q square in terms of 3p. Now can I write this one as 9 as 3 into 3q square? If I denote this as some 3q square is equal to some k is equal to, we can write as 3k. So this represent 3p. So that it satisfies. Next, if I substitute r is equal to 1. Now a is equal to 3q plus 1. Now for this equation, again you have to do squaring on both sides. For the squaring on both sides, we'll get here a square is equal to 3q plus 1 whole square. Expand this in terms of a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. You will get here 9q square plus 6q plus 1. So out of these two, I can remove 3 outside because 9 is nothing but 3 into 3. And 6 is nothing but 3 into 2. So in this both you have 3 common. So if I remove this 3 outside, you will get in terms of 3 into 3q square plus 2q plus 1. Now assume this bracket as, so 3q square plus 2q is equal to some k. So we can write this one as 3k plus 1. So this represents the second equation, that is 3p plus 1. Now it satisfies. Now if I take the second one, that is substitute r is equal to 2. Now if I substitute r is equal to 2, you will get a is equal to 3q plus 2. For this, again squaring on both sides. So we will get here a square is equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. Now if I expand in terms of a plus b whole square, you will get 3q square plus 2 into 3q into 2 plus 2 square. Now 3q square we can write as 9q square plus 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12q plus 4. Now out of these two, I can remove 3 outside, that is 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. If I remove this 3 outside, you will get here 3q square plus 4q plus 4. Now if I represent this bracket as 3q square plus 4q is equal to some k, I can write this one as 3k plus 4, which implies the third one. So it satisfies all the positive integers of 3p, 3p plus 1 and 3p plus 4. So in the conclusion, what we are going to write here, therefore 3p, 3p plus 1 and 3p plus 4 satisfies for all positive integers. Now if I take the another question, that is show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So previously we have done squaring on both sides. Now we have to take the cubing on both sides. Now if I take the as per the definition of Euclid's division lemma, that is a is equal to b cube plus r, where r is lying in between 0 to b. If I compare this with the value of above equation, so b is equal to 9, then r will be lying in between 0 to 9. So r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now in this they have asked only the 3 values, so I am taking only these 3 values, that is r is equal to 0, 1 and 2. Right, now before going to find the value of this, I can represent this 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8 as in terms of 3m plus 1 and 3m plus 2. Just I am assuming that. So we are assuming that. So in place of 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8, we take 3m plus 1 and 3m plus 2. Now by using this we have to show 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Right, now if I take the first value, that is r is equal to 0, so you'll get a is equal to 3m plus 0. So a is equal to 3m. So what they asked, cube on both, so cubing of any positive integers. So I can write this as cubing on both sides. Now if I do cubing on both sides, we will get here a cube is equal to 3m whole cube. So this implies I can write this as 27m cube. This 27 I can write as 9 into 3m cube. Now if I assume this some 3m cube as some k, we can write this as 9k, which is the first one, right? So it satisfies the equation. Now if I substitute r is equal to 1, you'll get a is equal to 3m plus 1. So I can take cubing on both sides. You'll get a cube is equal to 3m plus 1 whole cube. Now expand this in terms of a plus b whole cube. Now if I expand this one, you'll get a cube plus 3 into a square into b plus 3 into a into b square plus b cube. So here 3 cube is nothing but 27m cube plus 3 square is 9, 9 3 is a 27m plus 3 3 is a 9m plus 1. Now out of these 3 values we can remove 9 outside, so that you will get 3m cube plus 3m square plus m plus 1. Now if I take this bracket, that is 3m cube plus 3m square plus 1 as some k, we can write this one as 9k plus 1, which is your second equation, that is 9m plus 1. Now take your substitute. R is equal to some 2, that is a is equal to 3m plus 2. Now cubing on both sides, so you'll get a cube is equal to 3m plus 2 whole cube. Now if I expand this as per the formula of a cube plus b, a plus b whole cube, you'll get 3m, that is a cube plus 3 into a square into b plus 3 into a into b square plus b cube. Now here 3m cube is nothing but again 27m cube plus 3 square is 9, 9 3 is a 27, 27 2 is a 54 m square plus 3 3 is a 9, here 2 square is 4, 9 4 is a 36m plus 2 cube is 8. Now out of these 3 values I can remove this 9 outside. You'll get 3m cube plus 9 6 is a 54, next 9 4 is a 36 plus 8. Now assume this complete bracket, that is 3m cube plus 6m square plus 4m as some k. So I can write this one as 9k plus 8, which satisfies your third equation. So like this we can find any values of cube and squares, right? Thank you.